Welcome. In today's quick guide, we're going to learn how to edit a muted phrase on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the new 2025 PC update. If you've muted certain words or phrases in the past and want to adjust or update them, the process is easier than ever. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in so all your settings load properly. Once your homepage is open, look toward the left-hand side of the screen for the menu. You'll see a few familiar icons there. Click on the More icon, it's the one with the 3 dots. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This will open a new page filled with all your personal preferences and privacy controls. From here, go ahead and click Privacy and Safety. This section is where you can manage what you see, what others can see from you, and how your account interacts across the platform. Now, scroll down until you find Mute and Block. Click on it. Under that, select Muted Words. This is the place where all your muted phrases and words appear. You'll see a complete list of everything you've chosen to hide from your timeline and notifications. Find the specific phrase you want to edit. Once you spot it, simply click on it. A pop-up window will open, showing the current settings for that phrase. This is where you can make your changes. Maybe you want to adjust the spelling, change how long it stays muted, or limit it to your timeline or notifications. Make the updates that best fit your preferences. When you're done, click Save. That's it, your muted phrase has now been updated successfully. The change will take effect immediately, so your feed and alerts will reflect the new settings right away. And that's how you edit a muted phrase on X using the new PC update. If this walkthrough helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching.